In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from Whop. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a refresher, I'll guide you through the process step by step to make sure you can access your funds with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Whop website and log into your account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the home feed. This is your starting point for managing all of your financial activities on Whop. Next, you'll want to locate the section that lists all of your balances. Typically, this is prominently displayed, allowing you to see a summary of your available funds. Click on All Balances to get a detailed view of your financial status. This step is crucial as it ensures you're aware of the exact amount you have available for withdrawal. Now, once you have a clear picture of your balances, look for the option to withdraw. This is usually found under the Finance section of your account. Clicking on Withdrawal will direct you to the page where you can initiate the process of transferring money from your Whop account. After accessing the withdrawal page, you'll need to specify the currency you wish to withdraw. In this case, we're focusing on USD, so go ahead and click on USD. This step is important because it tells the system which currency you're dealing with, ensuring everything is processed correctly. Once you've selected USD, the platform may prompt you to enter additional details, such as the amount you wish to withdraw and your preferred withdrawal method. Depending on the options available, you might choose to transfer funds to a bank account or another payment service. Be sure to double-check all the information you enter to avoid any errors or delays in receiving your funds. After confirming all the details, submit your withdrawal request. At this point, Whop will process your request, and you'll receive a confirmation of the transaction. Keep an eye out for any notifications or emails from Whop regarding the status of your withdrawal. It's always a good idea to monitor your bank account or payment service to ensure the funds arrive as expected. And that's it. You've successfully navigated the process of withdrawing money from Whop. Remember, if you encounter any issues or have further questions, Whop's customer support is available to assist you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on managing your finances online.